Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we're going to dive into the next set of words in this series. Let's get started. Word: guile. Spelling: G-U-I-L-E. Meaning: cunning or slyness, especially in dealing with others. Synonyms: cunning, slyness, craftiness. Antonyms: honesty, sincerity, straightforwardness. Usage: the detective was impressed by the thief's guile and ability to evade capture. Her guile in negotiating the business deal was unmatched. Word: hackneyed. Spelling: H-A-C-K-N-E-Y-E-D. Meaning: overused and lacking originality. Trite. Synonyms: trite, banal, cliched. Antonyms: original, fresh, innovative. Usage: the hackneyed plot of the movie was predictable and boring. The comedian's jokes were hackneyed and failed to impress the audience. Word: hallowed. Spelling: H-A-L-L-O-W-E-D. Meaning: respected and honored as holy, consecrated. Synonyms: holy, sacred, revered. Antonyms: profane, secular, unholy. Usage: the hallowed halls of the university were filled with a sense of tradition and respect. The priest hallowed the ground with a prayer before the ceremony. Word: hardy. Spelling: H-A-R-D-Y. Meaning: strong and capable of withstanding difficult conditions, robust. Synonyms: robust, strong, resilient. Antonyms: weak, fragile, delicate. Usage: the hardy plants were able to survive the harsh winter. The explorer was a hardy individual who could withstand extreme temperatures. Word: harrowing. Spelling: H-A-R-R-O-W-I-N-G. Meaning: extremely upsetting or disturbing. Synonyms: distressing, disturbing, alarming. Antonyms: usage: you've had a harrowing time this past month. The survivors shared harrowing stories of their experiences during the natural disaster. Word: hegemony. Spelling: H-E-G-E-M-O-N-Y. Meaning: a situation in which one country, organization, or group has more power, control, or importance than others. Synonyms: domination, leadership, dominance. Antonyms: usage: the country's hegemony over the region was challenged by the emergence of new powers. The corporation's hegemony in the market was due to its innovative products and strategic acquisitions. Word: heinous. Spelling: H-E-I-N-O-U-S. Meaning: outrageously evil or wicked, abominable. Synonyms: flagitious, odious, malicious. Antonyms: usage: the heinous crime shocked the community and led to widespread outrage. The judge described the defendant's actions as heinous and handed down a severe sentence. Word: hiatus. Spelling: H-I-A-T-U-S. Meaning: a break or gap in a sequence, continuity, or time. Synonyms: gap, break, interval. Antonyms: usage: the band took a hiatus for 3 months to work on new material. The project was put on hiatus due to funding issues and will resume next year. Word: hierarchy. Spelling: H-I-E-R-A-R-C-H-Y. Meaning: a system in which people or things are arranged according to their importance or rank. Synonyms: ranking, grading, ordering. Antonyms: equality, flat structure. Usage: the company has a strict hierarchy, with clear lines of authority and responsibility. The social hierarchy in the country was based on wealth and family background. Word: hypocrisy. Spelling: H-Y-P-O-C-R-I-S-Y. Meaning: the practice of claiming to have moral standards or beliefs to which one's own behavior does not conform. Synonyms: duplicity, deceit, dishonesty. Antonyms: sincerity, honesty, integrity. Usage: the politician was accused of hypocrisy for advocating environmental policies while owning a gas-guzzling SUV. Her hypocrisy was exposed when she was caught doing the very thing she had publicly condemned. Word: iconoclast. Spelling: I-C-O-N-O-C-L-A-S-T. Meaning: a person who attacks or criticizes cherished beliefs or institutions. Synonyms: rebel, radical, dissident. Antonyms: conformist, traditionalist. Usage: the young artist was known as an iconoclast for her unconventional and provocative works. He was labeled an iconoclast for his critical views on established religious practices. Word: idiosyncratic. Spelling, idiosyncratic. Meaning, peculiar to or characteristic of a particular person or thing. Synonyms, quirky, eccentric, peculiar. Antonyms, normal, typical, conventional. Usage. Her idiosyncratic style made her stand out in the fashion world. The idiosyncratic behavior of the genius inventor often puzzled his colleagues. Word, illicit. Spelling, illicit. Meaning, not officially allowed or approved. Synonyms, illegal, unlawful, prohibited. Antonyms, legal, lawful, permitted. Usage. The company was fined for engaging in illicit business practices. The illicit relationship between the two characters was a central theme in the novel. Word, immutable. Spelling, immutable. Meaning, unchanging over time or unable to be altered. Synonyms, unchanging, constant, permanent. Antonyms, changeable, variable, mutable. Usage. The laws of physics are considered immutable. Her immutable resolve to pursue justice inspired many followers. Word, impassive. Spelling, impassive. Meaning, stoic, not susceptible to suffering. Synonyms, stoic, unemotional, indifferent. Antonyms, emotional, sensitive, passionate. Usage. Stop being so impassive, it's healthy to cry every now and then. The judge remained impassive despite the defendant's emotional plea. Word, impeccable. Spelling, impeccable. Meaning, faultless, flawless, irreproachable. Synonyms, faultless, perfect, unassailable. Antonyms, flawed, imperfect, reprehensible. Usage. She had impeccable taste in clothes. The company's impeccable reputation was built on years of excellent service. Word, imperative. Spelling, imperative. Meaning, absolutely necessary or urgent. Synonyms, necessary, urgent, essential. Antonyms, optional, unnecessary, elective. Usage. It is imperative that we finish this project on time. The doctor said it was imperative to take the medication exactly as prescribed. Word, impetuous. Spelling, impetuous. Meaning, acting or done suddenly with little thought, rash, impulsive. Synonyms, impulsive, rash, spontaneous. Antonyms, cautious, deliberate, thoughtful. Usage. He made an impetuous decision to quit his job without thinking it through. The impetuous winds knocked over several trees in the storm. Word, inane. Spelling, inane. Meaning, silly, senseless, or empty-headed. Synonyms, silly, foolish, absurd. Antonyms, sensible, intelligent, substantial. Usage. The inane chatter of the gossip columnists was annoying. The movie's inane plot made it hard to follow. Word, inarticulate. Spelling, inarticulate. Meaning, lacking the ability to express oneself, especially in clear and effective speech. Synonyms, incoherent, unintelligible, unclear. Antonyms, articulate, coherent, clear. Usage. The inarticulate public speaker struggled to convey his message. Her inarticulate cry for help was misunderstood by the bystanders. Word, incendiary. Spelling, incendiary. Meaning, tending to arouse strife, riot, or rebellion, causing or designed to cause fires. Synonyms, inflammatory, seditious, rabble-rousing. Antonyms, calming, soothing, peaceful. Usage. The incendiary speech sparked violent protests in the city. The arsonist used incendiary devices to start the fire. Word, incessant. Spelling, incessant. Meaning, continuing without interruption, ceaseless, unending. Synonyms, unceasing, constant, continuous. Antonyms, intermittent, sporadic, occasional. Usage. The incessant rain made the outdoor event impossible. The incessant noise from the construction site was unbearable. Word, incisive. Spelling, incisive. Meaning, mentally acute, sharply and clearly expressive, cutting with a sharp edge. Synonyms, sharp, acute, piercing. Antonyms: dull, vague, unclear. Usage: the incisive journalist exposed the corruption in the government. Her incisive analysis of the data revealed new insights. Word: inclination. Spelling: inclination. Meaning: a natural tendency or disposition, a leaning or bending. Synonyms: tendency, disposition, leaning. Antonyms: aversion, dislike, opposition. Usage: she had an inclination towards art from a young age. His inclination to take risks often led to successful outcomes. Word: incorrigible. Spelling: incorrigible. Meaning: impossible to correct or reform, impervious to correction or reproof. Synonyms: unmanageable, uncontrollable, uncorrectable. Antonyms: manageable, controllable, correctable. Usage: the incorrigible child continued to misbehave despite numerous warnings. His incorrigible behavior led to his expulsion from school. So, what did you think of this video? Let me know in the comments below, and if you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel, Kavi's Brain Boosters, to monitor your daily progress and get the latest updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.